Hi. I want to take just a couple of minutes of your time to tell you what Christmas means to me. It is Monday, December 22nd, and there is only 3 days left until Christmas. And there is going to be a bunch of hustling and bustling around as everyone does their last minute Christmas shopping. I, for one, no matter how many times I say every single year that I am going to start my Christmas shopping early, I am a shopper at the very last week of Christmas, especially on Christmas Eve. Comment below, last minute shopper, if you do the same thing. So, what is Christmas to me? We all have different faiths. We all have different beliefs. To me, it's all about the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. He was born on the day that we celebrate as Christmas Day. And annually, we have a family Christmas party. And I always bake a cake to celebrate his birthday. It is a Jell-O cake. It's just a white cake in a 9x13 pan, and it has a layer of raspberry or strawberry Jell-O. Has to be red. Could be green, I suppose. And then I top it with Cool Whip. It's something that my mom used to do. It's a family favorite. And I started the tradition several decades ago when the kids were little. And it has carried on to being part of our family annual Christmas party. And to me, that is very, very important. You know, we end up sitting around and we do the Yankee swap and have fun with the gifts. But it is also included the remembrance of what the celebration of Christmas is all about. And that is singing happy birthday to Jesus on that day. Now, the party's always before Christmas Day. So my husband and I make sure that on Christmas Day, he and I sing happy birthday to Jesus. I am very, very, very grateful for all of my many blessings. And one of the very huge blessings that I am grateful for every day is you guys, my subscribers that I consider my family and my friends. So to all of my Heartfelt Crochet family and friends, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope that you enjoy family, friends, opening presents, enjoying and celebrating however it is that you and your family celebrate. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and to those of you that don't celebrate Christmas, have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye.